Oh my goodness! Ang OA ko na naman. Oh kalame, when you're talking to me. So hey viewers, welcome back again to this channel. It's been a while. Grabe. Sobrang tagal kong nawala. Ay, akala mo naman talaga. So, welcome back again. Na-miss ko to. Sobrang daming nangyari. I am so busy with my life. Tapos dumaan pa yung Coachella. Na para bang lumipad siya sa LA pero hindi talaga. Timbahay lang tayo. Pero sobrang daming ganap ng Bini and hindi na ako maka-keep up. Ang daming pending na nakasave lang sa watch later ko. So, isa-isahin na natin to dahil I'm back. Talaga naman. And, grabe, nakaka-overwhelm sa sobrang daming ganap ng Bini. Hindi na talaga ako makasunod. So, nakakatuwa. Of course, grabe, hindi na natin ma-reach yung 8 natin. Na talagang kaliwat kanan ang kanilang ganap. Tapos, ang kanilang interview sa US. Tapos, ang kanilang performance. Mamaya natin pag-usapan lahat ng to dahil we are going to react. Ang tagal kong tiniis to na hindi mapanood. Although, marami na akong clips na napanood sa X, sa Clock Up, and everywhere. Pero hindi ko pa talaga siya napanood ng buo. So, gustong-gusto ko na panoorin to ang kanilang newest music video na ilang weeks na. Pero ngayon na ako magre-react. Panoorin na natin yung Blush kasi alam kong maraming nabaliw. Nabaliw talaga. So, I am so excited na mabaliw din. So, simulan na natin to. Let's do this. Let's do this, Blooms. Dahil I'm back with my short hair. Ay! Kala mo naman talaga. Dami ko na namang dagdag kasi ang dami kong gustong ikwento, no? Isa-isahin natin yan. So, simulan na natin to. Alright. Sana kaya today. Ngayon na nga lang akong ganito, tapos naggaganito pa tayo, ha? Bakit ayaw mag-start? Okay. This is it. Let's go! Blush official music video. Finally! Mapapanood ko na rin. Ah, yun pala yung signal detected. Papuntang... Yan na ba yung islang pantropiko? Ay!
Every time you look at me, I blush. I get butterflies with every touch.
Ang ganda po! Diyos me!
Nobody does it like you, nah, nah, nah. I want you all the time, give me more.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
I've been thinking about you all day.
7 days a week. Ang ganda ni Sheena, promise. They are all beautiful. Sabi ko sa inyo kung sino mag-appear sa screen ko, yun yung bias ko. Ang daldal ko. Ang ganda! Oh, kalame.
When you're talking to me, every time you look at me, I blush. I get butterflies with every touch. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na. Every time you look at me, I blush.
Ang ganda po nilang lahat. Na para bang first time kong mag-react. Grabe naman kulit. Oo na, Mika Lim. Oh my gosh.
I know the what we got is something different.
Wow!
Wanna keep going, no intermission.
I love that.
Make keep it hit me with
Their
precision.
fits! Grabe talaga.
When you call me and tell me you wanna come over, I love it. Tumitigil ang mundo pag
Gusto ko yung part na yan.
Ano pa ba magagawa para ikaw maakit? Sabihin mo lang.
Oh my goodness!
Like the summer. Wanna dip my toes in the
Ang OA ko na naman. Oh kalame, when you're talking to me.
Every time you look at me, I blush. I get butterflies with every touch.
Sorry, ang hyper ko.
Ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na.
Right?
Look at me, I blush. Thinking that
Gusto ni Stacy.
crush. Love it when
Yung
you
pink
talk
hair
about
mo.
la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na.
Bayan tayo, Ayasin.
Enough time. All my life I've been waiting.
Doon kayo nabaliw, di ba? Sa part ng Ayasin.
Just my type, always on my mind. I know why.
My gosh! Ang ganda!
You make me. Every time you look at me, I
Ang ganda po!
butterflies with every touch. Love it when you
Ikalma
talk
mo!
Nobody does it like you, na na na. Every time you look at me, I blush. Thinking that it's more than
Hindi
just
ko
a
kaya.
flash. Love it when you talking all that ooh la la.
Hey!
Nobody does it like you, na na na.
My
You
gosh!
make me blush. You make me blush. You make me blush.
Ang hirap ng step. Pahirap ng choreo nila. Hey! I love that. That's Beanie! Grabe talaga. Nakakabaliw. So, isama na rin natin dito yung dance practice nila. Para isahan na lang, di ba? Isahan na lang to. Teka lang. Sobrang hyper ko kasi first time ko talaga mapanood ng buo yung Blush music video. Ilang weeks ko ring tiniis yun. Dahil mga clips lang talaga yung napapanood ko and I am so excited. Walang ibang nasabi kundi maganda, di ba? Sobrang OA ni ate mo girl ngayon. Kasi ngayon lang ulit talaga siya nagbalik. Para mapanood ang lahat ng to. So, eto, recent lang nila din nilabas. So, a few days ago, nilabas nila ang kanilang dance practice ng Blush. Ang hirap ng choreo. Hindi ko na talaga makuha. Pahirap yung steps nila. Ibig sabihin nun, wag na lang talaga ako sumayaw. Anyways. Whew. Okay, let's talk about their feats. Dun sa music video, sobrang ganda. Nakailang change ba sila? From desert to somewhere na may tubig. Sobrang galing talaga mag-isip ng concept kung sino man to. Yumi Asbag may gawa neto. Talagang shout out and hands down sa Team Beanie. Sobrang galing and their makeups and everything. Talagang mapapablush ka. Sumegway ka ng ganun. And sobrang ganda. Grabe yung visual nila talaga. Gusto ko yung fino-focus yung mga mukha nila. Tapos, wow, grabe. Mababaliw ka na lang talaga. So, simulan na natin tong dance practice nila. At ang dami ko na namang sinasabi. Ikalma mo! Let's go!
Every time you look at me, I blush. I get butterflies with every touch.
Grabe, Maloy.
Talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na. I want you all the time, give me more.
Let's go,
Oh, I
Pinksy!
never felt this before. I've been thinking about you all day. 7 days awake. Show me some love. Oh, never
Woo!
get to know.
Grabe.
Just see you
Gandang-ganda ko kay Sheena ngayon. Sobrang bagay ng hairstyle niya.
It's hot like the summer.
Ay! Let's go, Aya!
Oh, calame when you're talking to me. Every time you look at me, I blush. I get butterflies with every touch. Love it when you're talking.
Grabe talaga.
Nobody does it like you, na na na. Every time you look at me, I blush. Thinking that it's more than just a crush. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na. You make me blush. You make me blush. I see you with 20/20 vision. I know the what we got is something different.
Grabe. Gusto ko yung gumaganon sila.
Keep it hit me with precision.
Hindi ko lang tawag eh.
When you call me and tell me you wanna come over,
Right.
I love it. Tumitigil ang mundo pag
I'm so
di ka
obsessed with this part.
magagawa para ikamahakit. Sabihin mo lang para
Masyado mapangakit.
like the summer. Wanna dip my toes in the water. Oh, kalame, when you're talking to me. Every time you look at me, I blush. I get butterflies with every touch. When you talk
So yung lagi sila may pa-slow mo eh.
Nobody does it like you, na na na. Every time you look at me, I blush.
Right?
Thinking that it's more than just a crush. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody
Gusto ko na lahat sila nakatingin kay Master Joe. At kay Aya, Loser Clan.
You and I, till the end of time. All my
Grabe talaga yung part ng Aya si.
waiting for this. Just my type, always on my mind.
Right, it's your spotlight, Maloy.
'Cause you make me. Every time you look at me, I get butterflies with every touch. Love it when you're talking about love. Nobody does it like
Love
you.
that.
Na, na, na. Every time you look at me, I blush. Thinking that it's all
Magkasunuran pala ang Mikaya doon.
love it when you're talking all that ooh la la. Nobody does it like you. Na, na, na.
You make me ang ganda talaga. Gusto mo rin gumiling-giling kaso Bini lang talaga yun eh. Bini lang makakagawa niyan eh. Whew! That was the best. I love it. I love it. Whew! Hinga muna tayo. So, grabe naman talaga. Ang daldal ko sa reaction video na to, ang dami kong sinasabi, pasensya na, no? So, that was my reaction. Sobrang okay talaga kapag Bini ang pinag-uusapan. So, I really love that. Nakita niyo yun? Iba talaga yung kanilang choreography na buong space, sinasakop talaga nila yung space na meron sila. Gusto ko rin yung hindi naman nawawala yung pagbibigay ng spotlight sa bawat isa na kapag kanilang part yun, hey, it's your time to shine and talaga namang yung domino effect ba tawag doon? Basta may something na tawag doon yung hindi kasi ako dancer so pagbigyan nyo na ako, hindi ko alam yung mga tawag pero teach me. So, yun lang, ma-enjoy mo lang talaga yung ginagawa ng Bini. Ang dami nangyayari sa sayaw nila, pero di mo na rin alam kung saan ka magpo-focus. So, good luck po sa lahat ng a-attend sa concert. I am so excited sa kanilang, they have another world tour. And, of course, sa lahat ng mga nakasecured sa day 1 and day 2, see you all there. I am so excited na mapanood ulit sila ng live. Grabe, galing Coachella yan, girl eh. Ibang level na ang Bini natin. So, see you all there sa lahat ng events ng Bini. At mamimiss ulit natin sila dahil ilang months silang wala because of their world tour. And they deserve it! They deserve na makilala sila globally. Congratulations, Bini, and to all Blooms out there. Thank you for supporting them from day 1 sa mga OG Blooms, sa mga new Blooms, baby Blooms, and I know for sure, sobrang daming na hakot ng Bini dun sa Coachella performance nila and lumalaki na ang pamilya ng Bloom. So, see you all there and always take care, guys. Yun lang because marami pa akong i-react. Kaya, itigil na natin to. Bye, Bloom! See you on my next reaction video.